Hello guys, welcome back. I have been feeling so disconnected from YouTube lately. I don't know, it's just been so much going on. My parents are out here from New York and it really just takes me off of my regular schedule. And personal things have been happening with my body that I don't really want to put out there, but it's been really making me feel like I don't feel like recording. But you know what? I was like, I'm gonna make it do what it do because commitment. That is why I'm all about commitment 2020 to all of the positive things in my life. Speaking of the positive things in my life, so as you know, I just put up a video about how to be happy. My personal opinion on it. And I was talking about incorporating God in that and just my personal beliefs. And there was a demon. Now, I don't know who it was, but somebody disliked the video. I got my first dislike. And what's funny is I feel honored. It reminds me of that comedy scene from Cat Williams when he was like, if nobody's hating on you, then you have a problem. You want haters. That means you're doing something right.
So understand niggas is gonna hate you regardless. Get that out of your head, that fantasy world where niggas ain't hating on you. You gotta be grateful. You need haters. What the fuck is you complaining about? What the fuck do you think a hater's job is? To fucking hate. So let them motherfuckers do their goddamn job. What the fuck is you complaining about? Ladies, if you got 14 women hating on you, you need to figure out how to get to 16 before the summer get here.
So thank you, I appreciate it. So basically, I wanted to show you guys some things that I bought. I'm really trying to get into this whole makeup thing. Like, I'm trying to be popping. So I got another like brow pencil thing. Can you see it? Maybe it's Maybelline. Okay. And then I got the couture pencil. This is from Dollar Tree. Some mascara. I got another maybe it's Maybelline liquid eyeliner. I got, what is this? Oh, concealer. But I got a different color because I had like some other type of color that just was not gonna make my skin tone. I got a beauty blender. Yes, I said it right this time. I got some eyeshadow. I like my dark colors. I got some eyelash glue, which means, of course, I got some eyelashes. I got some not expensive ones, but some Ardell regular brand. And then I got some Dollar Tree ones because I don't know what I'm doing, and I like to experiment with cheap things. And then I got some more foundation, CoverGirl. So as y'all know, this is not MAC or Sephora. I got everything from like Walmart and Dollar Tree because every other store is closed right now. And I'm just gonna spend all of the money I don't have because I don't know what else to do with my life. But we're about to dip and dab in this. I want to attempt to do my makeup and I'm happy I watched me, if that's okay with y'all. I haven't been practicing lately because like I said, I've been feeling not about doing stuff. Like I've been feeling really like but makeup makes you want to live a little. You know what I'm saying? Live a little. You get up, you get showered, you get dressed, you do your makeup, you feel like living a little bit. So I'm not gonna open this one because I still have I was using. And you don't open things until you finish. That's how I was raised. So yeah, I'm gonna use this True Match that I've been using. Also gonna use this beauty blender that I was using too. Are you supposed to like throw these things away after you use them once? Because I definitely don't. My camera is gonna die soon. Oh no. that I was using from the Dollar Tree. This bad boy here. But I'm gonna open this one because I'm just really curious to how it looks.
It's not getting to me. It's never ending. Can't give you what you need. You're misbehaving. Yeah, it's getting to me.
It's crazy because this eyebrow pencil really looks different than the one from the Dollar Tree. Like legit. And I think that's kind of cool. You really do get what you pay for. That's a real thing.
This is what I want now. And yeah, I'm waiting for something better.
This eyebrow looks like it has an arch. And this one never does. You see what I mean? Not really.
I can't keep pretending. It's not getting to me. It's never ending.
I look like, well, let's see. That's what I look like. So now we're gonna try this, concealer and see if it makes a difference.
Focus on myself. Oh, you better go, go, go. Go, 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 go. Yeah. So I can focus. I just need to focus on myself. Yeah. So you can go, go, go. Go, 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 go. So I can focus. I just need to focus.
Seriously though, makeup is fun to do. Even when you have no idea what you're doing like me. It's just fun. It's fun. People be like, oh, it looks nice. Or they don't say anything at all. That's how my family is. My family just don't say nothing. If something looks nice, they'll be like, oh, that looks really nice, Shanikqua. And if it don't, they just be like, oh. Whatever. Now this whole concealer thing. I'm really trying to hurry up before my cameras die because ain't nobody got time for that. So you put it here. This thing is doing nothing. Okay, whatever. You put it here. Put it here. It looks like here. 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 On the side of your nose. I said concealer, contouring. Contouring. Now, what are you supposed to use to contour? Do you use a big brush? You're supposed to go down or up or what? And next time, guys, I'm gonna watch a makeup tutorial first before I just come up over here. Not necessarily wasting your time. Because I like to think I'm good people. But, just being on this camera, you look at a freaking fool. What does that even do? Oh, here we go again. I was better off when I used the, I used brown eyeshadow and I contoured it. And to me, it looked better when I did that than when I attempted to do the other stuff. I love this mascara, guys. I always get this one. Total Temptation Maybelline. In case you guys were wondering.
10, 9, counting down, putting on a
I love it. I absolutely love that the eyelash. It just gives it all of the volume. Fake lashes for what? For what? Just get this, boo. Can't put no eyeliner on, and I'm not about to put no eyeliner on because we about to go to sleep, y'all. That's what's gonna happen. So I hate putting eyeliner on right before I'm about to go to sleep because it's really hard to get it off. But I am about to try this eyeshadow, and then that's gonna be it. That's just gonna be it. I really just, like I was saying, I really just wanted to do this little makeup haul so that you guys could see the things that I bought, and you guys can see that I am still trying to be out here living my best life and learning how to do this makeup. Yes, I am. Because one day there's gonna be a reason to leave the house besides going grocery shopping. And I'm gonna be able to look good for my boo because he's gonna take me out to a nice dinner. Yes, and we're gonna get dressed up just because of this special occasion of stores opening back up. And yeah, I'm gonna be cute. So in order for me to do that, I have to, oh my goodness, you see. I love when people be doing black eyeshadow, but I just don't know how to do it so that it look right. But guess what? We're about to try. Now you know how you be watching the makeup videos and they be like, I know this is looking crazy right now, but watch in the end, I'ma fix it, I'ma fix it. That's not this video, that's not what's about to happen. I'm really trying to figure it out, y'all. I'm trying to figure it out just like y'all. I'm hoping I can fix it. I'm hoping that this is not the final result and I don't just look like I got two black eyes. But I don't think it's gonna be okay. Because I just don't know what the heck I'm doing. I look like it's Halloween. That's alright. If I maybe add just white in the face. Maybe that will make a bit of a difference. Whatever, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. As always, I love you guys. If you're new to my channel and you got it this far, you're the real MVP. And if you are a regular on my channel, then you've been the real MVP. You've been the real MVP. I know I look like something out of Halloween Town, but that is a-okay because it was more about the haul and less about me. So yeah, thank you guys, and I will see y'all on Wednesday.